Hi, this is Arun Kumar working as a Java developer in Spyro Group of Companies. I am going to explain on the project domain network security, and the topic is a survey of security attacks in information-centric networking. Abstract. Information-centric networking is a new communication paradigm that focuses on content retrieval from the network regardless of storage location. ISIN attacks and unique ISIN attributes, ISIN attacks and security requirements, confidentiality, integrity, availability, and privacy. Finally, the paper presents the severity levels of ISIN attacks and discuss the existing ISIN security solutions. Existing system. A sender publishes an advertisement message to tell the network that it has some content to share without necessarily knowing who may be interested in it. Proposed concept: a survey of attacks unique to ISIN architecture and other generic attacks that have an impact on ISIN. Existing algorithm: DDoS algorithm, proposed algorithm, ranking algorithm. Drawbacks: it is crucial to have comprehensive understanding of ISIN attacks. Existing solutions target a specific architecture or specific types of attacks. Advantages of proposed solutions: develop a taxonomy of ISIN attacks and classify the attacks into 4 categories, naming, routing, caching, and other related attacks. So the relationship between ISIN attacks and unique ISIN attributes. Applications: ISIN development platforms, testbeds, simulators, open source codes, and tools. System requirements: hardware, processor Pentium 2.6, Intel Core Duo, RAM 512 MB, monitor 15 color, hard disk 40 GB, software front-end Java, server JSP, backend MySQL, operating system Windows, IDE, NetBeans, Eclipse. Future concept: the future interest comes with high requirements of information dissemination, which motivates the research communication to find alternative solutions. Future technique: algorithm, ranking and clustering algorithm. Advantage: to identify the core functionalities of ISIN architecture, to describe the key ISIN proposals in tutorial manner.